I wouldn't say we wanted to get rid of our tree. We had to get rid of our tree. You know, when we moved in, we hung a swing, Spanish moss dangling from it. It was just a mess. It was creating a lot of issues. It left these little prickly seeds everywhere in our yard and our neighbor's yard. The roots, you could see, went straight to the fence. It became a nuisance. We called Joshua Tree. The guy came out, sized up everything, gave me a quote, said, I'll be back in a couple weeks. The week they said they would, they showed up. Like a 10-person crew. They used precision to kind of maneuver around back there and not do any damage to my property. They ground up the stump, and so this massive, towering, sprawling tree that was creating all these problems was gone in a blink of an eye. Once the grass grows in, it'll be like, what tree problem?